Ready na ba kayo tumawa? Tara, simulan na natin!
Lo mejor nunca se sube, al menos que en la radio salga esta canción. Hoy voy a darle pa...
Yati, nabulasot ko, atay. Dira ko nabulasot ko. Uy, part. Dahil ko ndia oh, lagi nabulasot ko.
Mukhang iba trip ni Doggy.
Yun.
Pag minamalas ka nga naman,
Trying to fix in the Philippines, it's 1 a.m. Let's go.
next we got Ramburat.
The Ramburat. I think I'm supposed to Ramburat. 10 out of 10.
Oh! Nadapaman kahapon, bukas ay babangon. Lahat ng...
I'm gonna prank my dad.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off. Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
Gusto mo bang ma-shoutout sa susunod nating video? Mag-subscribe, like and comment na. Ate, ahitin mo pa.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
Sana okay lang si Kuya. Di ka makapaglaro, kaya sumayaw ka na lang.
Uy! Patay! Boss, paing na, boss! Lumpits!
Yung napagod ka na sa anak mo kakasaway. May helmet pero walang motor.
Walidak pa, walay motor. Sir, walay motor, sir. Walidak pa.
Hinahanap ni ate yung nawawalang kaldero. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aming video, please hit like and subscribe.